Hi guys! Well, today we're going to skip ahead a bit, but we're going to go to page 251 in grammar. This lesson it's about abbreviations. Now, why did I needed to talk about this and why is it important? Well, because we use them all the time and it's important for you to know when you're going to be using them with capital letter and when are you going to using them or where and why sometimes they use like small letter. Well, an abbreviation, you already know, it's a shortened word, maybe just because we just want to save space. Basically, we abbreviate to save space, or like for making start a name like an address or a list, or how it says here, to save space. Now, you know one that you use almost every single day. Do you know which one is it? Miss. How you call me? Miss. So, why? Well, we're going to see that. And what does that mean? We're going to see that as well. Well, basically we have common abbreviation chart here. We have for places, we have for business and titles, we have measurements, states, agency, and organizations. Mostly it's just for saving space, or because, I don't know, it looks good, or I don't know, it looks good. It's how maybe formality, how people use it for formality and to save space as well, again. Well, places, we have the here example, apartment, avenue, expressway. We have how we use them. I know that you already know that. But we have places as well, like this is like from buildings, okay, or like in a street. But we also have for natural parts of the earth, or another place where we want to like go. Example, mount or mountain, we abbreviated with MT. Then we have a parkway, PKWY, and then we have post office with PO. So then we have businesses and titles, and mostly businesses and or companies, they use that to save space, and because maybe the name of their companies are already long enough, so they have to use abbreviation, and it looks really good, of course. And then we have businesses, how we use them for a business or a company, and how we name as well, like official parts like governmental, etc. Then we have measurements, how we measure things. Remember that in Mexico, we don't use inches or miles or feet or foot. We use different than that, but of course, those abbreviate as well, but differently, of course. And those, as you can notice, are in small letters. Why? Well, basically, it's just because those are not proper names from people or from places or for companies. Those are just nouns. Now we have states. Some of you already know how to like abbreviate states, but there are a lot of states in the United States that have different like mix or like combination of the words that they are there, and you have to learn them, and it might be confusing. But we also abbreviate our names, the state of our name. Baja California, we abbreviate it with a B and a C. And then we have here how we abbreviate them. And then agency and small organizations, we have seen a lot in the world. Like recently we are seeing the WHO, the World Health Organization, with all this coronavirus thing, but in Spanish is called OMS, okay, Organización Mundial de la Salud, but still it is an abbreviation. So let's go to the next page, 252. Try it out. You're going to try it out. You're going to be doing this. You're going to be abbreviating it. Remember that this book doesn't ask anything that it's not on the previous page or in the first page where the examples were. It's very easy. And on your own, you're going to write the abbreviation of each item or sentence. So, example, Missouri. Do we have it over here? No, we don't have it, but you have to look for it, okay? And then we have mountain snow, which is very easy. We just have to abbreviate mount. And then miles per hour. Do you know how to abbreviate that? I'm very sure that you know. It's very easy. Now, in page 253, it says that this bicycle registration form has 10 abbreviation errors. Write the form correctly. You are going to do this form. You're going to copy, you're going to put the lines where they are as if you were doing this form by yourselves. And you're going to abbreviate the words that you think are incorrect or that are incorrect. And that's it. Very easy activity, but important for you to do. So that's it. I will wait for your audios or your videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.